What's up, YouTube? Time for another Leetcode question. Today's daily, another easy poggers. Alright, so you're given an array of n strings, all of the same length. The strings can be arranged in such that there is one on each line, making a grid. Okay, so it forms a grid of letters like this. You want to delete the columns that are not sorted lexicographically, so that's like in alphabetical order. So this one is in order. C, E, E. This is also in order. While this one is not in order because B, C is in, and then A breaks the order. So here we can see that when they're the same, that counts as being sorted. So I think it's just you're checking like character by character from index 0 to the last one and checking if it's strictly increasing. And you just need to keep track of like which is the currently the greatest letter. Yeah. And so you'd have an integer, I just call them answers, that we will increment every time there's a column we want to remove. So we want to loop through every string in the character, every string in the array. And then, wait, so you go to each, yeah, and then you need to go to each character for each character for each string. So I want to do all the character ones, and then, okay, yeah. So then index I is going to keep track of which character we're at, and then we got to go through every string. And at every string, we're going to check character I, make sure that it's in increasing order. So, yeah, so basically, yeah, we don't even need to store the previous one, we just need to compare to the previous one. Oh, I forgot to I plus plus here. So, yeah, so if the s dot car, oh, so I'll need the index here since I want to be able to keep track of the previous one, so I'll call it J. Yes, it's the same length. Oh wait, yeah, it's to go through every string, so it's the literal length of the array. J plus plus. Be careful about that. Okay, so the string S is gonna be the string at index J, and then the previous one. So I'd say this is like the cur, so for current, and this is like the previous. And even better, I can make it a character. So the current one is at character I. The other one is at character I minus 1. So we have a violation if the previous one is greater. Yeah. Smaller, greater, not good. Smaller, equal. Yes, it's strictly greater. So if uh the current is strictly greater than the previous, then we're gonna increment answer. And then that means we can move on to the next column. So yeah, this is what's keeping track of the column. Wait, is it? No. That's the keeping track of the characters. These are the columns. Right? No. Because these are the strings. The strings are the rows. The columns are the characters. Am I trolling? Let me think. A, B. Oh my god, I'm trolling. Yeah, because string number. Yeah, so string number uh 2 is gonna get compared to string number 1. So it's more like this. Yeah. So we want to go to every character. So character 0, and then character 1, character 2. For every, yeah, so then we compare to the string before it. Yeah. So then it's j minus 1, and it's always at I, because we want to compare all the 0th character, all the first characters, and etc. Yeah. So these are the characters, right? Yeah. And the loop that we want to continue, if ever we find one, it's this outer one, right? So wait, these are the strings, right? No, these are the characters. These are the strings. So I think the continuous here, so I'll just call this like outer. I don't know. I'm kind of too lazy to figure it out, so I'll just continue outer and hope that it works. And then let's pray that I got it right. No. Hmm. Let's try without outer. Please work. No, still doesn't work. Oh wait, my output is too big. No way. Expected 1. Oh, I guess I can check I's and J's. So 0, 1. So string number. Wait, so I is, yeah, the I is the characters. Yeah, so for character 0, I want to compare every string with the yeah. So the current one is J, and the previous one is J minus 1s. And if the current, oh no, it's if the previous is greater than the current. My bad. I think this should fix it. Hog. Let's go. Doesn't seem to be optimal, but I don't care.